I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the laptop can change settings. Make sure the EliteBook is powered or has at least 10% battery, and sign into Windows. Once done, close any full-screen apps that block hotkeys, then open the Action Center from the taskbar or use the FN key plus the brightness key labeled with a sun icon. You're doing this to access immediate brightness controls. The keys adjust hardware level, while Action Center offers quick slider precision for visual confirmation. Now refine brightness. Drag the Action Center slider to the desired percentage for an instant change, which is fast for brief adjustments. For more control, go to Settings, then System and Display to access brightness and color profiles. This explains why image tone shifts with different drivers or power modes. If the level jumps or won't hold, disable adaptive brightness in Display or Power Plan settings to ensure manual commands take precedence, and make note of battery versus plugged-in profiles. Finish by ensuring software supports the hardware. Open Device Manager and update the display adapter or Intel graphics driver, then reboot to apply changes. If keys or slider still don't respond, restart once more and test in safe mode to isolate third-party interference. As a final step, verify BIOS brightness settings and the HP Quick Launch button driver if present. This often resolves mismatched key behavior. If nothing works, roll back recent driver updates or run HP Support Assistant for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.